I request CDC JS Kohli ji to play virtual flag exchange ceremony, please.
Friends, to witness this honorable movement, let's give big hands to Rotary Club of Amritsar.
Now I request Rotarian Archana Nagpal to do the honors.
Fellow Rotarians, it is our privilege today to perform this honest duty of putting collar around the neck of incoming Governor, Rotarian Devinder Singh Ji, who is taking over as Governor of District 3070 today. This collar is insignia of that designation, and we're putting it around his neck.
Fellow Rotarians, it's an honor for me to formally honor and install District Governor Devinder Singh. And let me inform you, it was my pleasure when I installed him as club president as well. So this is double honor for me to install him today as governor.
Honorable RI Director Kamal Sanghvi, very respected Dr. Hardas Singh Ji, past District Governor Vinash Mahendra Ji, all the RI officers Galaxy of Rotary District 3070 and 90, immediate past District Governor Sunil Nagpal, Dr. Vijay Sharma Assembly Chair, Milap Naheria, the host club president, Mr. Vijay Nayyar, my own host club president, district headquarter team, club presidents, secretaries, district officers, and all of the above, my best half. Will you please shift camera to my best half, Dolly? So friend, here the Her Highness Dolly Sachdeva is there. So that's the reason of my smile. Happy afternoon to. हाँ, अब कैमरा मेरी तरफ ले आइए, सब मुझे देखना चाहते हैं. My dear friends, happy afternoon to all of you. I will not take much time because we are to listen RA Director Kamal Sanghvi Sahab, and I will be summing up my address in 5 minutes only, and then we will be talking in detail. पूरा साल है, आराम से बात करेंगे. I feel proud and more responsible while wearing this collar of District Governor today. But friends, I think it is a twin responsibility conferred upon me. Number one, to govern the Rotary District 307, and number two, I have the responsibility for the oldest, my home club, which is the oldest club of Rotary District 307, to perform this duty with integrity and honesty. I will repeat, I will perform my duty with integrity and honesty in the larger interest of the Rotarians, the society, and the entire Rotary world. And I expect the same from each and every club officer and the district officer who is present in this meeting. Friends, congratulations to all the club presidents, club secretaries, club treasurers, club office bearers, district officers who are present here and who have assumed the charge on 1st of July. I myself see this as the opportunity in my life. This opportunity is not about the service to mankind. It is very surprising to, listen that I don't see this as an opportunity to do service to mankind, or because we are just sensible citizens. That is we are duty bound to do something good for the society. Not even an opportunity to lead, because I will not follow you, and I don't expect you should follow me. I am of the firm believer we should walk together. हाथों में हाथ रख के अगर चलेंगे, इकट्ठे चलेंगे, तो काफ़ी दूर तक चलेंगे, एक मंजिल की तरह काफिला बना के चलेंगे. And I think that is a need of the hour, my dear friends. But as a big opportunity, I see this position, and I see your position also, to learn. This is the opportunity to learn the skills in the life. It is an opportunity to polish my own self. It is an opportunity to make friends across the world. I am thinking, I was normally talking with Dolly, and she always discouraged me rather. I wanted to do a road trip from India to UK, so by car, if COVID permits, after 3 or 4 or 5 years. But friends, with this opportunity, I have made my friends across the world, and every Rotarian of a district can make the friends on our world. डायरेक्टर कमल, मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा कि जो इवनिंग सेशन है वहाँ पे जब हम एक फेलोशिप लॉन्च करेंगे तो सारी दुनिया से जो क्रिकेट लविंग रोटेरियंस है, दे आर गोइंग टू जॉइन अस फ्रॉम युगांडा, कनाडा, यूके, यूएस एंड फ्रॉम द सार्क कंट्रीज. एंड आई सी इट एज an opportunity to bring more people to the society, like-minded, to do good for the human being, to the world, for their own satisfaction. And the biggest opportunity, my dear friends, to learn the time management, which helped me in polishing my career, my professional opportunities. Opportunities are unlimited and endless, for you also, for me also, for all of us also. And everything around you is an art, but it has to pass through a creative mind. Friends, on your screen, RI Director Kamal Sanghvi Sahab is there. Thank you very much, Kamal ji, for joining us. And friends, I would like to tell you one thing. When we were supposed to do physical assembly, it was in Dharamshala, hosted by the Rotary Club of Dharamshala. And in the August, and Kamal ji was the chief guest of that physical assembly. And we were supposed to perform a world record, and we booked the Dharamsala Cricket Stadium also in the August presence of Kamal ji. I am very delighted, and all the Rotarians of District 3070 are very delighted that Kamal ji is among us again today as a chief guest of this virtual district assembly. Sir, I feel proud in telling you that 2020-2021 class of club presidents and secretaries is a brilliant and a unique class of club leaders. They are passionate Rotarians and ready to take on any challenges thrown by COVID-19. I have found them keen learners and excellent club leaders in making. Our district has done already 11 virtual Zoom meetings which were initiated by you only when you addressed our assistant governors and the district officer, you must be remembering. And after then, when you charge up them, so in a series of meeting, we did 11 meeting, and today it is the 12th meeting. More than 73 clubs have hosted their club assemblies and appointed all their committee members, which is a very pleasant experience. I would like to tell you, sir, 106 clubs are there. More than 73 clubs have conducted their club assemblies around the district assembly. And my priorities for Rotarians of District 3070, sir, I will be needing your help. That is to connect so that we can add strength to the our Rotarian fraternity to collaborate, to add value for our members who are paying, subscription to the Rotary International, and to create the impact before the government authorities to be visible. To make this happen, हम शाम को सर 3 इनिशिएटिव करने जा रहे हैं. आज पहले दिन 5 जुलाई है. नंबर 1, रोटरी एक्शन ग्रुप एनवायरनमेंट की पीडीजी ऊना होप डे फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया. आवर डिस्ट्रिक्ट गोइंग टू हैव ऑफिशियल टाई अप फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट knowledge exchange with the PDG Una, and she will be here in the afternoon session. Secondly, to bring more interest in the district, I am bringing, all the Rotarians are bringing International Fellowship of Cricketing Rotarian in our district 3070, and IFCR World Chair KR Partha Sarthi will be among us in the closing session. And sir, to eradicate the cervical cancer vaccination for girl children, it is our topmost priority. We are going to sign an MOU with Indian Medical Association today itself, the FICCI, and the Voice of Amritsar, another NGO, and the target is to start with 1,000 cervical cancer vaccination for the girl children from 9 to 14 years. We shall be needing your full support for that, sir. Before I end, I have to make one request on behalf of 3,200 Rotarians across 106 clubs, sir. More than 50% of the clubs, my dear Director Kamal, are located in small semi-urban towns of my district. Rotarians have will to do. Rotarians have resources also, but we lack knowledge. We need the resources from your side, sir. We Rotarians want to do something big on water as well, but do not have any know-how. Kindly guide us how we can work meaningfully in this direction. And at last, sir, which is very, very important, we conceive big projects, but don't get CSR partners or global partners in number. Being there are virtually no big company culture or a corporate culture in Punjab, Himachal and Jammu and Kashmir. My request to consider also in the CSR funding, in the finding us the global partner. The whole of the world is your friend, sir. Kindly do that favor if possible for us. Same is applicable for global grants. Projects are stalled due to global partners. Kindly, please, please, please guide us on this. Friends, before I sign off, the motto of Rotary Club of Amritsar is Shubh Karman To Kabhu Na Taro, and that is the motto is going to be the District 3070 also. Shubh Karman To Kabhu Na Taro, never afraid of doing what is good. I repeat, never afraid of doing what is good. Good not for me, good not for you, but the good for the collective and general large, for the fraternity and the human mankind. This is the purpose of our life. Rotary gives that opportunity. Please seize this opportunity to grow in your life. God bless you. Wish you all the best. And before I go, you can take your cameras before you and click the selfie. The best 5 selfies will find a place in the GML, and after then with Director Kamal Sanghvi also, kindly do the same. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Thank you. And I have one more pleasant duty to assign. I request cameraman to please focus on this pin. Please zoom और zoom कर लीजिए. Friends, this is not an ordinary pin. This is a pin of the IPDG. I brought specially for my friend, immediate past District Governor Sunil Nagpal from America. So Sunil, so I present this pin to you virtually, and I'll be sending to you this tomorrow by courier. Kindly accept this honor on behalf of District 3070. Thank you so very much.